I switched to Sprunky because I'm a freaking weirdo, and I scrolled down a bit and look what the heck I found. Why is the milk all over the
You're going to want to hear about the Unlimited Essentials plan from Google Fi Wireless. It's just $60 a month for
ads are going to be gone. Well, I give it a oh, thank you. That's pretty. No.
I've been dating every face I know. Every color pleasing to the same.
Please.
Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're
Is Simon small? Is Simon a kid?
going.
He's a sheriff. Wait, what the heck? Oh! It took me a second to realize what the heck that was. Ew! Bitten. Oh dang, Tunner got angry. Dang, you got a cheat on him. Oh, it says 16 plus. I bet 2-year-olds gonna watch it. Actually says, what the heck am I watching? Did this person finish the series, or is this the only one? Oh no, there's parts? Wait, did I watch the wrong video? Oh no. Wait, Dogman! Dogman! Okay, that's the first one.
This is LP Smart Side Siding. Wood siding with a degree in engineering.
Dang, I think. It won Why is the animation good? But bro, literally all is just this. I'm pausing this because one, I want to hear y'all's eyes before we continue. And two, I need to charge my phone because my phone's about to turn into freaking doo-doo. I'm dead. Phone charger. Why are you looking? Why are you doing that? You're acting like you just got shot in your face. Part 3. Okay, so Tunner's dead. Oh, never mind. This is terrible news. There. It's getting worse and worse. No. Wait, why does this have 911?
Alright, kids, let's go.
991. Is he pregnant? No. Let him sleep in peace. No, please don't do the. I'm good. It's gonna be on my watch list and in my search history. Thank you. TBC. Wait, it's over? There's no more parts? Oh no, part 4. TB. Oh, did I already watch that? Oh, okay. Part 5.
Let's make tonight the weekend. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait.
Don't report someone because it
got no reason not to celebrate. Baby, I just don't wanna wait. Swimming in the deep blue, got me thinking about you. I'm just trying to dive right in.
Don't kiss again.
Like
Dribble, just do it, bro. Get the rope and no. Get the rope and share. Get the rope and share. Get a room, man. Ratty sucks. You could have picked anyone else. Ratty sucks. Part 6. I wonder what that flag means.
Damn, I heard that you and her been having problems. She likes to
I want to see
you
the
both have that in common. Started at the top and now you're at the bottom.
I want to see the
Baby, this is none of my business. You moved on, better wrong, been a while, baby, so did I. Took it home to your mom, oh, but trust me, that ain't on my mind. I saw on my feed, she looks a little like me.
TBC. Who's PJ? Hey guys, my name is PJ Films. I see the P. No. Party 7? Okay, so we randomly got a suit. We need to copy this down. Let's also put that annoying freaking emoji there. The rainbow. People don't take this rainbow thing as you would expect it. Like gray. Wait, we're not allowed to add color except this. I just put bread in the corner, just eating moss. Pretend that thing is moss. Because he eats moss. Yeah. I'm excited to see what happens. Don't do this to me again. I hated that. Dave, no, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I think y'all know what we have to do. Right here. Oh, he's just singing. Don't worry, chat. He's just singing. So they get freaky. Freaky out, bro. Ah! 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 I have to document this. Let's make the longest fucking ear silence. Kevin, you have died. Start digging in your butt, twin. Whoa, wait, whoa. He's holding it. He's holding. You're forcing him to. I need bleach, please. That'd be very nice. It doesn't help with this cringy ass music.
For us,
Who else? Okay, I think that's the end. Oh, never mind. There's more. So last time we had Tunner eating Simon. Don't kiss his tail. He doesn't walk. He doesn't walk that way. You were eating dirt. Oh shit, he died. R.I.P. Tunner. Please don't do it to me again. I'm begging you. Window, what the? You want to do that with Gray? Who are these people? Albedo? Frost Queen? Wait, that's not even a ship. We're 12. Did I miss one? Okay, I missed part 10. Now, bro, they went boing. Boing. Get this random girl. What was this? This is past February.
Mis ojos no saben llorar.
You both suck.
Confundí costumbre con amor. Disfrazando esos errores que ahora cambian de color. Confundí por ti mi corazón. Lo llenaste de mentiras, lo llenaste de dolor. Me equivoqué. Así no me dejas nada.
Don't you hate each other? It's true that they hate each other. Well, Wenda likes him. He doesn't like her.
Nunca estuve enamorada.
Isn't that what the creator of Sprunky said? Maybe you should be using... Oh, wait, we skipped 11. We need to see what happens in 11. Where's 11, actually? I don't see 11. I only see 12. Did I skip one? Yeah, there isn't no... Oh, there it is.
It's all happening too fast.
What, you nervous about the wedding?
No, it's the house, dude. We gotta...
They were sleeping together. Don't eat him alive. No, don't do that. No, it's not food. No. Wait, can we see that I'm sorry, bro. Poppy, put some clothes on. You know what clothes? Wait, isn't that Pibby? Wait, isn't that Pibby from a corruption thing? The corruption thing from 10 years ago? Pibby corruption? Oh. I love you too, Cameron. Have a great day. Wait, calm.
It's a takedown. So sweet, so easy on the eyes, but hideous on the inside. Whole life bring lies, but you can't hide, baby. Nice try.
I didn't realize it at first. Freaking K-pop demon. Get your own music. Wait, did he say? Wait, did that say the S word? Or did it say sin? I'm gonna count it as sin, okay? Get mad at me. Are you eating his dangling again? Yeah, he is. He's screaming out milk. Ah! Stop it, boy. No, I'm gonna keep on eating your dangling, okay? Oh! Stop it! No, I'm gonna keep on doing it. Okay, I'm gonna like it now.
Just stay ahead of the competition. You need to...
Here, I'm gonna think of what they're saying because I don't know Spanish. Hello, guys. I'm gonna show you things you need bleach. Oh, you are? Yes. Okay.
I was a ghost, I
Wait,
was alone.
you're a predator. Wait, Simon is a baby compared to you. You're a predator.
Given the throne, I
Don't eat
didn't
him
know
again.
how to believe.
To believe?
I was a quick that I meant to be. I lived too large, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Got to wild, but now that's how
Okay, finally they're being normal. My head hurts. I was just trying to watch the freaking Sprunky videos. Not have my eye. Not me to need bleach.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided.
You could see the singular pupil. He's like, I don't want to do
know
this.
why I didn't trust you to be on my
Never
side.
mind. Don't do the tongue-to-tongue thing again.
I broke into a
At the beginning, you did that. Part 15. Oh no, Simon's gonna eat tunner. No. The music doesn't exist. Oh man, she's gonna cry now. Jevin looking at. Wait a second. Tell me how. I'm gonna draw Jevin from this image. Y'all gonna tell me how much he's look. Hold on. I'm sorry I'm using CapCut a lot. Flip a clip. I'm stupid. Pokemon Go. I don't care. Aw. No. Get away from me. No, I don't want to download your stupid app. Photo library. Let's get that, and first we'll get your hoodie on. Get your hoodie on. Next, let's give you your hoodie thing. Boom. You're gonna tell me how close this looks to Kevin. Kevin wannabe. I'm sorry. Dogman? Dogman's gonna die now. Long time. Who is this guy? Okay, we're gonna have to draw this. We have to draw the chat. We have to write this in the gallery. Yeah. A spooky guy. Let's call him Fred. Fred. He's an anonymous Sprunky that would kidnap Sprunkies and freaking diddy them. I don't know what he does. Let's give him the red pupils. Yeah, I didn't see anything. Blocks Fred's weird stuff. Let's go freaking Dogman because he exists. Isn't it supposed to be like, you know? Well, this is gonna be woof 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 woof. I love Dogman. What did they do to him? They ripped off his leg. Get up, TBC. We're going for here. TBC. No. Get this off my screen, please. I'm sorry. Did I see this? He starts crying, doesn't he? But it's the 16th. Get this stupid ass. Yeah, I agree. Like,
Focus on.
Baby, I need you till the morning. I hear my body calling, so keep that body rocking all night.
why is Cookie Run Kingdom here?
Baby, all we can keep the talking. You know there's only one thing tonight. So come rock my body. Baby, I need you till the morning. I hear my body calling, so keep that.
I knew of something close to that.
Trio, the
They
number
were
one space heater
kidnapped.
brand on Amazon US for 2 consecutive
Shut
years.
the
Experience the brand new 3D whole room heating and 2-second instant heat powered by Hyperamics technology. Unleash ultra quiet airflow with brushless.
Oh yeah, I can't be watching that.
Trust 8-layer safety
That's
protection
normal
powered by Shield
content.
360. This winter, choose Trio, the number one space heater brand on Amazon US for 2 consecutive years.
Trio.
Greer, what the heck?
Baby, I need you till the morning. I hear my body calling, so keep the party rocking all night. Baby, oh, we can skip the talking. You know there's only one thing tonight. So come rock my body. Baby, I need you till the morning.
Oh, something close to
So
that.
keep the party rocking all night. Baby, oh, we can skip the talking. You know there's only one thing tonight. So won't you come rock my body? Keep the party rocking all night. So come rock my body.
Ew! He can speak, you know. Fred, what are you doing? Oh, Fred, you freaky.
Chicken.
We'd like to.
That's what you get. K-pop demon on. Fred.
There's gotta be another way out. I've been stuck in a cage with my
K-pop
doubt.
demon.
I've tried forever getting out on my own. Every time I do this my way, I get caught in the lies of the enemy. I lay my troubles down. I'm ready.
Fred freaking dies by a girl. R.I.P. Fred. Make fan out to remember Fred, the freaky Diddy wannabe, who died by freaking K-pop demon hunters. Let's draw the main character, the one with a. I'm not mean to press the. That's it. There you go. R.I.P. Fred, bro. Not R.I.P. Fred. It's Fred the weirdo.
Bring me out, come and find me in the dark now. Every day by myself, I'm breaking down. I don't wanna fight alone anymore. Bring me out from the prison of my own pride. I can't deny me, and I'm realizing I was never meant to fight on my own.
What are you gonna do with
I've always been a
Fred?
Spectrum customer, so
You're gonna eat him? What is this 2-year-old brain consuming? Sit Tunner. Shut up. I don't want to see the first episode again. Cookie Run freaking Kingdom. Well, at the end of the video, I'm gonna go check out Cookie Beat Up Cookie Simulator at the end of the video. That's the best high school. I'm not subscribing to you. Yeah, but don't you dare do that with black. People shoot you with black. On to the next episode. Where's Brad in this? If I don't see Brud anytime, I'm gonna freaking find your IP address. Valentina Lana. If I don't see Brud anytime, if I don't see a peep of him in this episode, then I'm gonna find your IP address. He's my favorite. What am I consuming right now?
Escucha, baby, si solo supieras que tienes algo que me hace vibrar. Tus movimientos a mí me aceleran. Cuando empezamos no puedo parar. Tú te apoderas de mis sentidos cuando me miras.
You killed him! Dang. We gotta draw this. We gotta draw this. We gotta draw this. I drew the eye like Among Us. Boom, 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 boom. When the imposter it says boom, 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 boom. You too. No. Oh no, you're looking. No. No. La boo boo li 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 boo li boo li boo boo. Did I see this? Finds himself. Dog man is kissing of the cat guy. I forgot his name. Pablo. Okay, where's this is the latest one. 6 days ago. And this is where you get eaten. Please?
Find ways to articulate the feeling I'm going through.
Right. I want you to come.
Cause I love you.
I mean, wait, come. Like, come in the episode. Fuck.
Let me tell the truth. Baby, let me tell the truth. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking. See it in your eyes. You hate that you want me. Hate it when you cry.
TBC. TBC.